If you want to set up automated welcome emails that work while you sleep and actually convert new leads into customers, this quick 3-minute tutorial will walk you through the exact steps using software I've tested across all the major platforms. Plus, I'll show you how to set it up once and have it running forever on autopilot. Stick around till the end. I'll also give you a powerful tip most people miss that can double your open rate. Let's get right into it. First, log into the software we'll be using. There's an exclusive free trial in the description below, just for viewers of my channel, so you can follow along step by step without paying a cent. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the automation or workflow section. Different software might call it slightly different things. Look for automation, workflow, or customer journeys. Create a new workflow and select the trigger when someone joins your list, or when a new contact is added. This is what kicks off the automated welcome email. Next, you'll set up your first email. The goal of this welcome email isn't to hard sell, it's to build trust and set expectations. Keep it short, warm, and clear. Thank them for signing up. Let them know what kind of emails they'll receive from you, and consider offering a lead magnet or small gift if you promised one. Make sure your subject line is simple and personal. For example, hey, first name, here's what to expect, or welcome to the crew. Avoid spammy language. This first impression is everything. Now, inside the software, add a delay. 1 to 5 minutes is ideal. It gives the automation a human touch instead of firing instantly. After that, link your welcome email to that delay and hit publish. You're now sending welcome emails automatically, even while you sleep. Here's a bonus. Add a follow-up email 24 hours later. This second touchpoint can introduce your most popular content, invite them to follow you on socials, or show them a success story. This keeps engagement high from the start. To recap, you set the trigger as new contact joins list. Created a warm, concise welcome email. Delayed it slightly for a natural feel, optional. Added a follow-up to boost engagement. That's your entire welcome sequence done. Set it once and let it work behind the scenes. The key takeaway? Welcome emails that work while you sleep aren't just about automation. They're about connection. If you make it feel personal, helpful, and timely, you'll build stronger relationships on autopilot. If you haven't already, I highly recommend grabbing the exclusive free trial in the description. It's the same software I used to build this in under 3 minutes, and it's only available through this channel. Now go set it up and let your emails work while you sleep.